Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and play Roblox on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. Safari, Chrome, anything works. Now go to roblox.com and sign into your account. You'll notice something immediately. There's no download button on the homepage. Roblox doesn't give you a direct installer link. So here's what you do. Click on any game you want to play. Once the game page opens, hit the play button. Roblox will try to load, and then you'll get a message saying that you need to download and install Roblox first. Just click Download and Install, then click Allow. The installer will download as a DMG file. If it doesn't show on your desktop, just open your Finder and go to the Downloads folder. You'll find it there. Next, double-click the DMG file. A small window will open. Now double-click on the Roblox installer inside it. Click Open if you see a warning, and Roblox will begin installing on your Mac. Once installation finishes, the Roblox app will open, and you can simply log into your account. After that, go back to any game and click Play. It will now launch directly in the Roblox app, and you can start playing on your Mac without any issues. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.